It is not good for man to be alone. To be in a relationship, and feel loved, having a partner for life, is one of the strongest human need. Marriage was designed by God Himself. It was Him who declared, after creating Adam, that it is not good that the man should be alone. Then He added, I will make him an helpmeet for him. I will make him an helpmeet. The foundation of every true relationship is compatibility. It is upon this union that the blessings of God will flow, to multiply, replenish, and have dominion. According to the English dictionary, the word compatibility is defined as the quality of things that can coexist, without destroying each other. If we go back to the book of Genesis, it is written that God made the animals of the earth after their kind. Cattle, reptiles, and land animals, after their kind, that is, according to their species. This is to say that for each animal created, there was another one made for it, with similar features. They had the same morphology and physiology, only the sex differs. So, dear beloved, do you think that God, who created the animals, devoid of reason, and made for each of them a companion, how about you whom He created in His own image? Will He bring you into this world, without an helpmeet for you? You are a divine creature, just like Adam, and there is one made just for you. You are special, with all your qualities, all your faults, your painful past and your less glorious deeds. God said that it is not good for you to be alone, and this year, by His grace, you will meet your Adam. You will meet your Eve, this help that God has made just for you, and with whom you will be blessed. You will be fruitful and multiply. You will have dominion over every heartache, over every disease, over unemployment and sickness. Because God shall command His angels over you, to keep you in all your ways. In their hands they shall bear you up, lest you dash your foot against a stone. And your God-given help will defend you against everything and everyone, for you will be bone of His bones, and flesh of His flesh. This year, my friend, God in His grace will bless you, because it is not good for man to be alone.